Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Casamassa again, and I'm back to read another story today. Today I have one of my students' favorite stories and a Caldecott Medal winner. This is Kittens' First Full Moon. I know a lot of students love this one, so let's start. Kittens' First Full Moon. It was Kitten's first full moon, and when she saw it, she thought, oh, there's a little bowl of milk in the sky, and she wanted it. So she closed her eyes and stretched out her neck. She opened her mouth and licked, but Kitten only ended up with a bug on her tongue. Poor Kitten. Still, there was that little bowl of milk just waiting. So she pulled herself together and wiggled her bottom and sprang from the top step of the porch. But Kitten only tumbled, bumping her nose and banging her ear and pinching her tail. Poor Kitten. Still, there was that little bowl of milk just waiting. So she chased it down the sidewalk, through the garden, past the field and by the pond, but Kitten never seemed to get any closer. Poor Kitten. Still, there was that little bowl of milk just waiting. So she ran to the tallest tree she could find, and she climbed and climbed and climbed to the very top. But Kitten still couldn't reach that bowl of milk, and now she was scared. Poor Kitten, what could she do? Then in the pond, Kitten saw another bowl of milk, and it was bigger. What a night! So she raced down the tree, and she raced through the grass, and raced to the edge of the pond, and she leaped with all of her might. Oh, poor Kitten! She was wet and sad and tired and hungry. So she went back home. And there was a great big bowl of milk on the porch. Just waiting for her. Lucky Kitten. The end. And I love the end papers on this book. It says, what a night. All right, boys and girls, maybe tonight you want to go out and take a look at the moon. You could draw a picture about it. You could write about it. Okay, and I'll be back again next week with another story. Bye.